Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the lists and how to modify the style of the lists. Here we have our lists and these are the topics. Modify the style of the list, bullet style, position and image, list style shorthand, this is the first subject. Type image position, control the counter, start, reversed, and value. How to control the counter of the ordered list, etc. Okay, let's dive in. First, let's open it on their live server so that everything is more clear. Okay, we have our list, unordered, ordered, description list. I hope you remember and you have seen HTML. First, let's talk about the description lists. So this one here is a simple CSS code. It's changing the line height of both the description list title and body, and not body anyway. And here the font weight becomes bold of the title. So here let's see how it looks like. And as you see, the font weight is become bold, and yes, the line height doesn't change much, but you can understand what I mean, no? You can use this kind of feature to just simply um, go and change the stuff and make your text more readable. So let's comment it back again. And now I'm going to show you something else about um, the unordered list. Let's take unordered list. I need to copy and paste this because I'm a little stupid with the keyboard. Anyway, let's see list style type. And here list style type on the unordered list, and here you can see that we have circle, square, lower Latin, something. Let's just print square just to show you how it looks like. And as you see, maybe you don't see it very well, but it has changed to the square. Pretty confused, pretty useless. I just use the circle and that's it generally, but there are a lot of features you can do. Same, and here it gets a little more interesting, I think. For the ordered list style type. Now, I don't want to, of course, square, but you can have upper alpha, for example, but let's just move and see. For example, now the ordered list has become A, B, C, D because of this new upper alpha feature. Wait a second. And I want to show you from here because this one you might use it, but for on the unordered list, I think never. Anyway, let's OL list type. Okay, let's see how it changes. You see here we have unset, square, revert, non-initial, inherit, disclosure open. But there are many others, but you have to put it from the initial. Anyway, you can see we can have multiple features, and it's pretty interesting, no? And yes, okay, let's put it. No, that wasn't auto. Auto. Okay, this is it, and there are other features that you can find if you use it on the VS Visual Studio Code. For example, I want to show you, if possible. It doesn't matter anyway. Let's place it auto, and let's move on. yes, the next topic would be the how to place an image inside it. But before, I want to show you this little thing, um, which is style type position. Let's do it on both. ol style type list style type position. Wait a second. Let's find it like this. List style position. Sorry, it wasn't list style type. You see, some it's not easy to get cheated. So, what does this do? List style position inside. Now let's examine. Okay, and if I come here, you can see. um you can see that the dots, the bullets, are inside the structure. Actually, I'm wrong. The default is outside. Now I already put it inside. Anyway, now the bullets are inside. Let's change it to outside. Feature on, and as you see now, it changes nothing for the page, the structure of the page, but now it's considering the bullets outside the content. And this is important for what we are going to talk about, so about the star SVG. So about this this star SVG, this Stella SVG, how do we generally should insert an image? Let's say list style image, then URL, then you place the URL, and let's look how it looks like now. And as you can see now, there is a big problem. The problem is that the image is too big. The image is too big, and if you have a look here, list style image is not like background color, background something, background color. I mean, or some other features that you can, for example, place some pixels here. You can do nothing here. I mean, you are placing the picture as the size as it is. So if your picture is not of the right size, you are going to see what we just saw, that the picture is too big and you can't do anything to modify it. So what is the how to resolve this problem? I have created a piece of code. Let's have a look at it. So first, okay. Now, first, let's see. Let's see. Me too. I have to see if it works. And now see how beautiful it is. These stars, etc., etc. Let's have a look how this code has worked. So, first, padding left, how much is comes from the left, etc., etc. This is not really important. Background image URL Stella FCVG. So, what did we do here? Here we have used this image, but we have manually used it and inserted it inside our list on our images. It's not automatically that it has been inserted inside as bullets, but they have been manually placed. No, so you can even see here that I have to put a position, background size, and etc. etc. Let's see the elements from here, which is I will show you exactly what I mean. What I mean that they are not bullets. That bullets they have their their specified. Okay, no, here. Okay, their specified place. For example, background position. What if I increase it? you see that they are moving. They are moving wherever I want. So you have even to, because I manually inserted, and so you have to place it in a certain position. Then we have put background image. We have said no repeat. Let's see if I let's remove it. Bam. As you see, no repeat is quite important. Then list style type none, because these are not bullets. So if I place again list style type shows something, the bullets come back again. But now I said none, and so they don't show up. Then background size, etc. Other things. So this is how generally you would do something like this, which is not really common. I mean, generally in some web pages you will not use these graphical things on the lists. The only possibility that I can think of is like gaming websites, the website of games that they have to reproduce the graphic of the games somehow, no? But for normal websites, you will always use these, so you don't need to take care about a lot about this. Anyway, this is the way or a way, I don't want to say, to insert the image unless your image is already of the right size, etc. Then moving on, um, let's see on our ordered list. Here we have some properties that we can place exactly on OL. We can choose which is the value to start with. For example, here we stay on OL start 10, and now shows, and now the ordered list starts with 10, no? If we place, sorry, reversed, let's see what happens. That of course the value are reversed, so it starts from the last and comes till the least value. If we remove start, and we just let reversed, it starts from back, yes, it starts from 6 and arrives till 1. So yes, if we say start with 100, anyway, you already understood what I mean. Last thing, you can place the value on every on each uh, on each so I can place a random value 10. So if you wanted to do something like this, for example, let's do this very commonly, no? Before I copy and paste everything. Ah, fuck's sake. A hundred, 1,000, 100,000, let's exaggerate. Basta, that's enough for me. Vabbè, you understand, and then here you can see that we have our different values that you can use. Yes, this I think this is enough for this little lesson. We said all that I said all that I wanted. Now the next lesson will be about links, and so it will be more long. There will be more things to be said. So I hope you keep following, and see you then.